Hello everyone. How to maximize your life with the Pareto principle is what I am talking to you about today. The Pareto principle is also called the 80-20 principle. Hello great people. Today I am bringing you information on how to transform and make your life better with the Pareto principle. What is the Pareto principle? The Pareto principle states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. That means that any result you get is as a result of 20% of your effort. Please press the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Back to the Pareto principle. Pareto principle means that the 80% that does not produce the needed result is almost a waste. Not really, but almost. The following are ways you can maximize the Pareto principle. Number one way, identify the 20% of your friends that give you 80% advancement, and then what do you do with that information? You create more time for such friends and hang around them more so that you can get more and more results. That means such friends multiply your result fourfold. Number two way you can maximize your life using the Pareto principle is to identify the 20% of your business transactions that yielded the 80% and then double down on them. Number three ways you can maximize your life using the Pareto principle is to identify the 20% investment or trades you have engaged in that have produced your 80% and stay with such more now. So spend more time with such investment. Invest more in such that you put 20% and they give you 80% return over a time. Then do more of that. Then number four way you can maximize your life using the Pareto principle is to find out what is happening to the 80% of efforts that are not yielding as expected. So what do you do with the 80% of the effort? You recultivate them. You delete some of them. You close down some of them, as the case may be. Some of the effort you are putting with the 80% and is yielding 20%, and you keep on doing that 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and you have seen from analysis that is going nowhere. Then what you do, you can recultivate. Then you can re-strategize, or you can delete, or you can close down. If it's a business that is not yielding as expected, you can close it down. If it's a venture that is not yielding as expected, you can close it down after thorough analysis. By the way, you can contact me to help you to analyze some of your businesses, some of your life plans, some of your life goals. I'm going to take a token from you, and I'm going to ask you some salient questions to see the direction that your life is heading, and then I can be able to monitor how things are going, and then we can make progress together. Now, Pareto principle applies to all areas of your life, and you have to look inwards and look outwards to know what need to be done. Please like this video now. The Pareto principle requires self-examination and painstaking personal stock taking. If you can do it, that is this Pareto principle frequently, you assess yourself. You can do self-examination, analyzing the Pareto principle in every area of your life. Then you are going to be glad that you did. On this YouTube channel, you see I've done a video on ice block making. I did the first video when I saw it was going and moving the way it was moving. I did other videos related to the ice block, and today I have more than 10 videos about ice block and different aspects, so that when you look at this section of the ice block, you can also look at another. So that is like applying the Pareto principle, and you also can apply it to your life. So if you apply the Pareto principle frequently to your life, you're going to see definite changes that are good. What are you waiting for? Go ahead. And what do you go ahead to do? You start maximizing your life with the Pareto principle. See this video that is popping up right now, and look at that video, and you are going to be glad you did.
My name is Olugbengadetitun and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. I welcome you to the channel and I want you to keep coming back for more. I'm going to talk to you again in my next video. I've done more than 500 videos. Go out there and check out all my other videos and you are going to be glad you did.